Why are we still torturing ourselves with this? And I'm talking about this. Just throw it away. Throw the whole thing away. You just don't need it. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? Today I want to talk to you guys about something that has been plaguing me. Okay, I've seen a lot of tutorials, a lot of hair videos, a lot of wig videos. I'm no wig connoisseur, but I've seen something that kind of makes me feel like, why are we still doing this? Why are we still torturing ourselves with this? And I'm talking about this and the black version. I've had both. The black version is supposed to be waterproof, but in my experience, the black version is not waterproof. A little bit of sweat, a little moisture outside, and your wig is lifting, it's falling right off. This does last longer, but oh my god, the whole process of this is just, you have to put it on and then you have to wait for it to get tacky by using your hair dryer and then putting it on cool and blowing and then wait. Oh, it's just, no, just too much. Just leave it. And then you have to finish it off with getting the spray and then spraying it on to make it extra secure. Why are we doing this to ourselves? It's just too much effort. All you really need is the Got to Be Glued blasting spray. That's it. The blasting freeze spray does everything. And I'm going to show you exactly how to use it to cut your wig prep time in half. So cornrow pattern is out. The first thing that I do is get myself some conditioner. Whatever it is that you use on a daily basis for your hair, just get yourself some and rub it through your rows. And then I put my wig cap on. I get it just over my hairline, and then I get a cotton pad and some rubbing alcohol just to get off the extra sweat or moisture from my hairline. I don't put it on my hair, just the skin. This is the hair that I'm going to be using today. I know, super blonde. I've never gone this light before. Well, I have, but I had dark roots. I made this wig. I got the hair from an Aliepxress shop called Aliepxress. I'll put the links in the description bar and everything. I like to customize my wigs on my head, but I did add a strap at the back and I have already cut the lace. I roll back the lace frontal a little bit and I use the Got to Be Glued sprayed. No more of this. No, just throw it away. Throw the whole thing away. You just don't need it. The blast spray is so easy. There's no residue left with this. That's another thing. I like to do one layer, let that dry completely, and then do another spray. Do you see that? Do you see how that's sticking? And then I just go ahead and push it down. This is down completely. Any little bits that aren't down, like for example here, I can see that the wig is lifting just a little bit. I can still see the lace. Get your spray, spray a little into your finger and just rub it along the line. Get your comb and just pull it down. And that's it. As far as getting your lace wig on, that's all you need to do. Now I'm gonna go ahead and style the hair. Do you see how easy that was? Got to Be Glued gel is out the window now. So I've straightened the hair, I've laid it how I wanted it to be. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and cut in some more baby hairs and then lay them. I lay the baby hairs like I would do any other normal wig, but with colored hair, I always find that laying baby hairs too much makes it look really, really fake. Because if you ever looked at someone who has naturally straight blonde hair, they don't have curly baby hairs in front of their head. That's just not realistic. So I don't bother doing baby hairs like that because to me it just doesn't look that realistic. But you guys, do your baby hairs any way you like. There's no right or wrong way. It's up to you how you want to express yourself. But I prefer to dry brush my baby hairs after I've laid them, just to make them come out a bit. The effect is to make the hair look like it's growing from my scalp, not to make it look flat on top of my head. Do you see the difference? Do you see what I'm talking about? Much of the preparation of getting a wig ready to slay is not actually getting the wig down on your head with the Got to Be Glued, but it's the process of laying the baby hair, straightening the hair, putting it in the style, that sort of thing. That's what makes the wigs look more realistic. In all honesty, these type of wigs aren't really meant to be slept on. When you do, one, you mess up the wig. 2, it pulls on your edges and just roughs up your hair. For you to think that you can go over and put a wig on and then sleep in it and think that you're going to keep all your hair is just a myth. Have you worn a bonnet at night before? Have you ever woken up with your bonnet pushed back or not even on your head anymore? It's slid back and it's come off. Has that happened to you? That's exactly what's happening when you have a wig on your head, but the only thing that's not moving the wig off of your head is the glue. What's happening at night is that you're laying on the pillow, that glue is in contact with the wig, you put your head down and you are sliding. There's so much friction that's pulling on your edges. Your wig might not come off at night and you might be like, hey, but your edges sure will be gone after a while. The whole point of a wig is to protect your natural hair while having fun with different colors and experimenting, but not having to actually do any of that to your own hair, which would fry. So what's the point of having a really nice looking wig but you have nothing underneath? Unless of course you're bald under and that's the look you were going for anyway. So please protect your edges, take the wig off at night. Get yourself a spray bottle with conditioner and water, spray it into the edges of the wig, rub that in, and then it will lift really easily and you will keep your edges. Okay, so I'm done with the warning. I'm sounding like your mums, but I'm just trying to help you. Please, please, please secure your edges. Be careful. So I hope this was helpful, you guys. I hope it shaves some time off of your wig prep when you're getting ready. Thank you for watching. See you guys in my next one.